Hello students. Today our topic is IUPAC nomenclature of cyclic compounds. Here we will see cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes are alkanes, in which carbon atoms are arranged in a ring. These carbon atoms are adding, these carbon atoms are named by adding prefix cyclo to the name of the alkane having same number of carbon atoms as the ring. Here examples: cyclopropane. Prop means a 3-membered carbon chain. It is in the form of cycle. Here CH2, CH2, CH2. This name is given as cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. Actually, alkane is 3-membered carbon chain. Alkane is propane. Prefix we are writing cyclo. Like this. 4-membered carbon chain. This is a cyclobutane. 5-membered carbon chain. Cyclopentane. Okay, 6-membered carbon chain in a cycle. This is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Like this we are giving cycloalkanes. Next is substituted cycloalkanes are named as substituted cycloalkanes named as alkyl cycloalkanes. Alkyl cycloalkanes. Example here: this cyclobutane having here CH3. Then how we are giving here name itself is substituted cycloalkanes are named as alkyl cycloalkane. Here alkyl group is methyl cyclobutane. Like this, suppose for example cyclohexane we are taking. Here C2H5 group is there. Then how the name of this compound is ethyl cyclohexane. Ethyl cyclohexane. These are the substituted alkanes named as alkyl cycloalkanes. Next point: cycloalkanes having 2 or more substitutes, that means substituents or side chains. 2 or more substituents or side chains. If the cycloalkanes contain 2 or more side chains or substituents, the numbering of the carbon atoms in the ring is done such a way the substituents which comes first alphabetical order and given the lowest possible number provided it does not violate the lowest set of locant rule. See here examples we will see. For example, CH3 cyclopentane having two methyl groups. Here we are giving numbering from 1 and 2. The name of the compound is 1, 2 dimethyl cyclopentane. This is example number 1. Then example number 2. Here C2H5 CH3. Here numbering given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here first preference we are giving alphabetical order. Ethyl is first and next is methyl. That's why here we are giving number 1 for ethyl. Ethyl and next methyl. 1 ethyl, 3 methyl, 3 methyl cyclohexane. Is another example. Third one. See here cyclohexane having CH3, C2H5, CH3. How numbering C1s? See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have to follow lowest sum value also. That's why here 1, 2, 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 7 is the lowest sum value. Sum value is least 1. Suppose we are giving number from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Then this is 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 6 comes as a 10. 1, 2, 4. Sum of 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. Suppose we are giving a preference for ethyl, first one. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. This is sum value is 10. That's why the correct name of this compound is 2-ethyl 1, 4 dimethyl cyclohexane. Okay, 2 ethyl 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane. Yes, next one. Okay, when the ring contain more or equal number of carbon atoms than the alkyl group attached to it, then it is named as a derivative of cycloalkane, and alkyl group treated as a substituent. Okay, for example, here when the carbon ring contains more or equal number of carbon chains, the alkyl group take it as a substituent, and ring we can take it as a cycloalkane. See now, for example, here this cyclohexane CH2 CH3. Okay, this is take it as a substituent, and this is cycloalkane. Okay, 1 2 3 carbons are there in substituent, then that is propyl. This is cyclohexane. Okay, next another example. This cyclopropane having same CH2 CH3. Okay, here both are having same number of carbons in side chain and ring chain. Then also we are take it as a cyclohexane derivative only. Here also we can write the name propyl cyclopropane. Propyl cyclopropane, like this. Here the carbon chain is okay, least number, and here is more number of carbons in the cycle. Even more or equal also we have to follow like this. Next one, when alkane chain contain greater number of carbon atoms than present in the ring. Okay, the compound considered as a derivative of alkane, and the ring is treated as a substituent. Okay, for example, here cyclobutane, okay, 4-membered carbon ring having a side chain CH2 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 CH3. Here there are 5-membered carbon chain having 4-membered cyclic ring. Okay, then what is the name of this compound? This is considered as a derivative of alkane. This is considered as a prefix. Okay, here first carbon, this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. Okay, 5 carbon okay, chain we are calling root word is pentane, and this is take it as a substituent. First carbon having this one. Okay, this is actually cyclobutyl. Okay, 1 cyclobutyl pentane. Okay, another example. CH3 CH CH2 CH3. Here this is a carbon chain, 4-membered carbon chain, 1 2 3 4. Second carbon having a substituent cyclopropyl. Okay, here we are giving name 2 cyclopropyl. Okay, butane, 2 cyclopropyl butane. Next point. Cycloalkenes and cycloalkynes. The word cyclo is prefixed before the name of alkene and alkyne. Alkene and alkyne having same number of carbon atoms as in the ring. For example, this is cyclohexane, actually having double bond. It is called as a alkene, hexene, cyclic form, no? Cyclohexene. Okay, similarly this is butane. Okay, double bond is there, butene, cyclic butene, no? That's why we are calling cyclobutene. Okay, one more example with a triple bond. Okay, this is 5-membered carbon ring. Okay, having triple bond. This name is take it as cyclopentine. This is cycloalkyne. Yes. Next, another important point. Okay, in the case of substituted alkanes, cycloalkenes and cycloalkynes, the numbering of double bond or triple bond is done. Okay, the numbering of double bond or triple bond is done as a 1 and 2. The direction is so chosen as give lowest number to the substituent. For example, here we are taking substituted alkene, cycloalkene. Okay, CH3 substituted. Here double bond is there. Then naming of this compound is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, here for double bond we are giving least number and substituent getting least number. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 coming from this side. Now 1 2 3. Okay, 3 methyl cyclohexane, 3 methyl cyclohexane. Okay, see another example. here 4-membered carbon ring, okay, having triple bond and one substituent. Okay, name of this compound, here we are giving number 1 2 3 4. Okay, here also 3 methyl, cyclo butene, triple bond is there, no, that's why butene. Okay, see another example, one more example we are checking here. This is cyclopentane having C2H5 substitute and double bond. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5, this is a 5-membered carbon chain, cyclopentane, double bond is there, pentene, and here ethyl group is there. Okay, the name of the compound is 3-ethyl cyclopentene. Okay, cyclopentene. Okay, like this we are giving names for substituted cycloalkenes and substituted cycloalkynes. Next, one more important point. Cyclic compounds contains functional group. Cyclic compounds containing functional group. If the ring contain alcohols, aldehydes, ketones and acids etc. are named in the same fashion as the corresponding open chain compounds by prefixing word cyclo, okay, before the name. For example, if the compound cyclohexane having carbon double bond O, then the name we are giving it is a keto group. Okay, keto group suffix coming as a on. It is a cyclic ring, 6-membered carbon chain. Okay, cyclohexanone. Okay, see, go for another example. Okay, name of this compound is cyclobutane carbaldehyde. Cyclobutane carbaldehyde. Okay, next, okay, this is a 5-membered carbon chain. Okay, simply we can write cyclopentanol. Okay, here alcohol group suffix as ol, cyclopentanol. Okay, next important point, this is the last point in this topic. Side chain having multiple bond. Okay, if the chain contains a multiple bond or functional group, the aliphatic ring treated as a substitute. Okay, irrespective of size of the ring. Yes, see here example. Okay, this is cyclopentane. It is connected with the CH2 CH2 CH double bond CH2. Okay, in this compound, this is considered as a substituent. Okay, this is the main chain. Okay, then there is a double bond. Now we are giving numbering for this compound 1 2 3 4. Fourth carbon having cyclopentyl. Okay, now cyclopentyl. Then the name of this compound is 4 cyclopentyl butene 1. First carbon having double. Okay, cyclopentyl but 1 also we can write. Okay, next second example. Okay, CH2 CHO. Okay, here there is a double bond. Then the name of the compound is, this is having functional group. Even there is a least number of carbon atoms in the functional group would attached chain. Then also it is a main functional, that means main chain. This is take it as a substituent. Okay, here numbering 1 2 3. Third carbon having substituent. This is cyclobutene. Okay, then third carbon having cyclobut 1 in aisle, butenyl. Okay, propanol. Okay, next last example we will see. Yes, there is a double bond O, double bond in the ring, and two substituents are there, methyl groups, CH3. Okay, the naming of the compound and how we are giving numbering. See, this is main function. Okay, that's why we can take it as a 1 keto group, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 5,6 dimethyl cyclohex. Okay, ene is there on second carbon, double bond is there second carbon position. In first carbon having keto group, that is suffix on. 5,6 dimethyl cyclohex 2 in 1